In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Salesforce Developer Edition account. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer and go to developer.salesforce.com/signup. This is the official Salesforce sign-up page for creating a free Developer Edition environment. If the page takes a moment to load, that's completely normal. Once it opens, you'll see a registration form that you'll need to complete in order to create your account. Next, fill out the registration form with the required information, including your name, your email address, and a unique username. As you complete this form, make sure the email address you enter is one you can access right away, because Salesforce will send you an activation email that you'll need in the next step. For the username, keep in mind that it must be unique, and in many cases, it will look like an email address, even if it doesn't belong to a real inbox. If the username you choose is already taken, simply try a variation until the form accepts it. Once the form is completed, review your details carefully to make sure everything is correct. This is especially important for the email address and username, since mistakes here can slow down the setup process or prevent you from activating the account properly. When everything looks good, click the Sign Me Up button to submit your registration. After that, go to your personal email inbox and look for the activation email from Salesforce. Depending on your email provider, it may arrive within a few moments, so give it a little time if you don't see it immediately. It's also a good idea to check your spam, junk, or promotions folder in case the message was filtered there. When you find the email, open it and click the activation link inside. That link will take you to the final setup page, where you'll be asked to create your account password. Choose a strong password that you can remember, but that is also secure. Once you set your password and complete that screen, your new Salesforce Developer Edition environment will be launched and ready to use. At that point, your account setup is complete, and you can begin exploring the platform. If you're following this as part of a larger Salesforce learning process, this environment will give you a safe place to practice and build without affecting any live business data.